Hello student, today we will do exercise 215 uh, from chapter 18 Oxford Current English Translation. So without further ado, let's get started. Correct these sentences. You have to correct this sentence. So see, the boy who is playing is my brother. The boy who is playing, यहाँ पे ही रॉन्ग है, यहाँ कोमा नहीं पड़ेगा, तो ऐसे लिखेंगे इसको द boy who is playing is my brother. The boy who is playing is my brother. My father who lives in London is coming today. यहाँ पर होगा my father, यहाँ कॉमा होगा क्योंकि ये नॉन डिफाइनिंग क्लॉज है, रिलेटिव क्लॉज, इसलिए my father who lives in London comma is coming today. इस तरह से बनेगा. My husband who I love so much is coming today. तो यहाँ पर भी वैसे यही बनेगा my husband यहाँ पर whom I love, whom हो जाएगा whom I love so much is coming today. ये हो गया. My husband whom I love so much is coming today. Rajiv Gandhi, who was the Prime Minister of India, was working hard to regain his chair. यहाँ पर भी होगा राजीव गांधी कौमा होगा who was the Prime Minister of India, who was the Prime Minister of India was, या इसके बाद कॉमा हो जाएगा, was working hard to regain his chair. Rajiv Gandhi, who was the Prime Minister of India, was working hard. Was working hard to regain his chair. The book who is on the table is, यहाँ पर इसका बनेगा the book who नहीं होगा which हो जाएगा the book which is on the table is mine. The book which is on the table is mine. One who works hard gets success. यहाँ पर होगा one who works हो जाएगा one who works hard gets success. The boy which I saw yesterday, the boy whom हो जाएगा which नहीं, the boy whom I saw yesterday is coming today. Coming today. The table on that I was sitting was broken. इसका हो जाएगा the table on which होगा the table on which I was sitting was broken. Completed this exercise. I hope you must have understood this exercise today up to here. We will meet in the next session with the next exercise. Till then, take care. Thank you.